Okay, friends, we're in the garage, the other side of the garage there. I'm gonna show you there what happens here, and you stand by there. See, what do you see here? See this here axle there? It's got rust on it there. That inhibits the stops the tire from going in. Hang on, I'm gonna stick my big feet in here. I hope you can see. The old emery quad trick. See, because when I took it off there, it was kind of hard to take off. So I said, we won't, see, and there's the key in here. I'm going to put the key back in the slot. If I can figure out where it was right here. Ooh. Looks like she's tight. Now, that looks like it's in. We're gonna do something else. The old anti-seize there. There. Put the sticker on the right side there. I don't know. There. Right there. Anti-seize. But this is very very dirty. But see, I put that on because I don't want to see if I ever want to undo it again, and there's no anti-seize on it. You guys, if ever you want to take something apart, you know you're going to take something apart in the future, anti-seize is your friend, eh? When we used to, some jobs we used to work on there, they wouldn't accept nothing but anti-seize, because like we had to, every pipe we put together, everything we put together, anti-seize, that's it. Because that way, if anybody has to take it apart, they'll be able to. Boom! See that? It went in there like Jack the Bear. Now, there's a washer. I don't know if there's a side to this. Probably, but I don't know. And then there's a lock. There. That's in. That's in. And then there's a cap. These are well made, those little Huska something. Huska. Okay, we're gonna take the other tie on the other side off. And I'll turn you off. Folks, after the little inner tube project there on those small tires, I just got one thing to say there, and this I'm gonna tell that Princess Auto there. Any inner tube there that's kind of been pulled out of the bag there, I don't know, the rubber's not what it used to be, and those inner tubes become no good. You put air and they rip, because two out of 4 rip. The other 2 were alright, but the other 2 were packaged in the like there's a plastic and an elastic over it, and that's what you have to get, because the inner tubes that the package is open there ain't gonna work. The inner tube becomes no good. I don't know why, but so that's the conclusion there. When you buy an inner tube, make sure it's in a plastic and it's not open, because it won't pan out for you. Okay, so I salute you all, and we'll see you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up if it's worthwhile, and if it's not, well then, I don't know, click it off or send me to Timbuktu. Or with those horses in Kentucky there, with my blades there. They haven't come yet. Starting to get kind of ornery with that, but that's another thing. Okay, salute, and we're gone.